going on, folks? I'm about to show you how you'll be changing out your tail light or your tail light assembly on a Dodge Challenger. First thing you want to do is go ahead and pop your hood. Next, you'll see like a little piece right here, like a little rubber piece you want to kind of grab, pull that back. Then once you have that, you kind of want to just pull on it, and once you do that, this piece right here will come out. And once you have that out, you want to set that aside somewhere. Then what you're going to be doing is coming inside of your vehicle. You'll take a little spin nut right here that you're going to have to take off first. And on some of these vehicles, you'll actually be able to replace the bulb. Other ones, you actually have to remove change out the whole assembly. And once you take that one off, you have another one that's right here that you have to spin out. So far, you got two spin nuts to take off, one right here. And then you'll have your power connector right here. A lot of times you have to pull that off. And then all the way back in the corner, way back over there, there'll be like a little piece that you got to squeeze. I'm going to show you what that looks like when I get it out. You squeeze that. Once you're squeezing this piece like that, so I squeeze it, and now you'll have your light out. And if you look right here, this is where I was squeezing back in that corner right there. So you kind of want to squeeze this piece right here and then pull it out. And as you can see on this one, it looks as if you may have to actually change out this whole assembly, or you'll probably have to take it to a dealer or something to have them change out this light that's inside of this one. On other ones, other years, you'll have like the light bulb right here that you could change out itself just in case it was to go out. And then of course, when you putting it back in, if you have to get a new one, you'll have to replace it the same way by sticking it back inside of it, putting the screws back on it. And if it's a light bulb on it, then you'll just change out your bulb itself, and you should be good to go. And all right, folks, once you get your headlight back in, or either you just change this whole assembly out, when you're putting it back in, you want to make sure that this big flat part, because this thing can turn like that, you want to make sure that this big part that's at the bottom is facing down like that. You want it to be facing down, because if you come over here and look inside of here, what you'll see is this opening right here, this hole. See how that little bottom part is down? It's like a key looking hole. So you want to make sure your flat part is facing down on the back of your tail light assembly when you're putting it back in, or it won't go in all the way correctly. So you see that little square at the bottom? So you come back up here to this piece. Like I said, because if you have it turned like sideways, it won't go in right. So you want to make sure that this is facing down like that, where that square piece is at the bottom, the round part at the top, the square piece at the bottom, and will go back into the hole correctly. All right, folks, once again, this is how you would change out your tail light or your tail light assembly on a Dodge Challenger. It's probably the same for multiple different years. Just have 2016 to 2019, but the ones before it probably come out the exact same way. You just may actually be able to change out your bulb. All right, folks, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.